Hi guys, I hope you enjoy this haul. The first item I purchased on TK Maxx is just a simple black bag. It's from the US Polo, and the band's called US Polo or something, so that's what it looks like. I like this gold hardware. I ordered some spring/summer stuff off Shein. This is the more spring outfit. So the top and skirt actually came as a matching set, so it's just a simple black skirt with like a bit of a slit. And then I absolutely love this blouse. It's like a black cropped blouse, but it's got like these flare sleeve details, and it's a bit like off the shoulder. So yeah, I just absolutely love these. I think the sleeves are really like, I like it when they're a bit floaty like that, unusual. The next item from Shein was this like cream style like jumper. It's another off the shoulder one. The sleeves aren't as flared as the other off the shoulder top, and it was part of the set with this black and white skirt that I'm wearing, so I'll insert a clip of the outfit of them together. But yeah, they're both really cute this spring because they're still like long sleeves, so they still keep you warm, but they're a bit more light and airy for when it's a bit warmer, and you know, when you have those warm spring days. I purchased this on Depop. The original one is called Drop Dead. Like I said, yeah, I absolutely love this painted flower detailing, so that's why I decided to purchase it, because it's like, well, it just adds a bit of something different to the jacket. Then I purchased this one from TK Maxx. Two cardigans are both from a brand called Brave Soul, but like I said, these were purchased from TK Maxx. So I love this one. It reminds me a bit of like the old money trend, which has been going around with the like, I don't know, just a bit Chanel inspired. I don't know that it's the big buttons. So TK Maxx, I think this just screams like Easter and spring. I absolutely love pastel colours. So this is just like a gorgeous pastel for life look. And the last but not least item from TK Maxx is this pink jumper. I just absolutely love fluffy pink oversized jumpers. I just think, because I live in England, so our spring's London. Yeah, so anyway, that's just so warm and cosy. I went on a quite cold day when I was out a lot, so yeah, it's just a dead nice snuggly jumper, and like I said before, I absolutely love like baby pastel colours. Yeah, so this is another brand new item, but this is purchased at the charter shop. It was £6, but it still has all the labels. It's just this long green dress with a slit at the end, so I thought this was just really cute for the spring. It's still like nice, it's quite thick, so it'll keep you nice and warm, but yeah, I absolutely love dresses. So just a couple more thrift items. I purchased this Shein jumper. I purchased it for £3. Just thought that's really cute. I like the look of the collar peeking out from, you know, underneath the jumper. Cardi from the thrift shop. It was originally from Boohoo. Like I said, another new item, and this was £3. So it's a new look. This is just really nice for the spring. I think this would look really nice with my black skirts from Shein. I wanted some more short sleeved blouses, because all my blouses are long sleeve, and I'm thinking it's going to be really warm in the summer. So yeah, like I said, I think this would look really nice with my black skirt. That's all the items. I hope you've enjoyed the haul, and I will see you in my next video.